Go Pinoy Council! Go Baltimore! Mabuhay! Congratulations, Archdiocesan Filipino Council and Mission Partners sa isang masaya, matagumpay at very memorable Filipino Saints Fiesta Celebration. San Pedro Calunsod, San Lorenzo Ruiz, maraming salamat po. Approve! Alam nyo, may kasabihan kami mga matatanda. Strike while the iron is hot. Habang mainit ang bakal, dun lang nahuhulma. Kaya strike while it is hot. Yung hot, pag inugnay sa pananampalataya, ang tawag natin doon, vibrant faith. Punong-puno ng buhay. Naisip ko lang, let's go deeper. The very reason why I'm talking to you now, sending my personal invitation to be part of the small faith sharing group using the Catholicism series ni Father Robert Baron. Hindi lang ito video, kung hindi dadalhin tayo ito where our faith actually happens, plus the powerful contemporary reflection ni Father Robert Baron, plus yung ating deepening session so that we can own it and be part of our life, yung mga sinasabi do sa ating napanood, yung mga aral at mga bagong learning insights na ating nakita, SWAC to, Small Faith Sharing Group. Ito ay mangyayari sa October 19, yung first orientation Saturday natin, 9 to 12 noon sa Cathedral of Mary Our Queen Parish Center. Doon sa lagi natin pinagmimitingan. Again, October 19, Saturday, 9 to 12 noon. Cathedral of Mary Our Queen Parish Center. Para bigyan kayo ng konting sneak preview kung ano ba itong sinasabi kong Catholicism series ni Father Robert Baron, watch this now.
If he is who he says he is, then we have to give our whole life to him. Jesus, more than any other figure, more than any other religious founder, compels us to make a choice. The church is meant to gather not just the people of the world. It's meant in some mystical way to gather all of creation, all of nature, around the energy of Christ. To be grounded in Christ, she realized, was to be grounded in that very power, which here and now creates the cosmos, that power which lies beyond the vagaries of space and time. The Christian faith is never meant to be held onto as a private privilege. It's meant to be shared. And so the apostolic church to the present day still has that great missionary purpose. I've come that you might have life and have it to the full.
Ayos ba? Sabi sa inyo there's more to it sa mga susunod pang mga sessions pag sinimulan na natin ating small faith sharing group. Alam nyo, kailangan natin itong lahat Kailangan natin mag-update. Di ba nga sa Facebook, ina-update natin yung profile, ina-update natin yung mga photos pag may mga bago tayong mga gustong sabihin at i-share sa ating mga kaibigan. Just the same yung pananampalataya, kailangan updated din para maging relevant, ibig sabihin napapanahon, engaging, we participate actively dun sa pag-witness sa ating vibrant faith, and inspiring. Na-inspire natin iba na manatili at pagtibayin yung ating pananampalataya sa ating Panginoon. Catholicism Series, Small Faith Sharing Group. Ito yung mangyayari sa October 19, 9 a.m. to 12 noon, Cathedral of Mary Our Queen Parish Center. Sana sumama kayo nang sa gayon ay magkita-kita ulit tayo upang pagtibayin natin ang bigkis ng ating pagkakaisa bilang isang pamilyang Pinoy na nagmamalasakit sa bawat isa and serving the Lord with joy in our heart. Ayos ba? See you there October 19, don't forget, Saturday yan, 9 a.m. to 12 noon. Bye! See you all! God bless!